In Maldives, a doctor is preparing to launch a war against worms using army of robots. What? Doesn't it sound like sci-fi? In Maldives, the hairy caterpillars have become real danger. Don't take them lightly just because of their fluffy names. They are real threat to people, to locals and to tourists. As we all know, the Maldives is beautiful place with emerald waters, so it attracts tourism from around the world. But these caterpillars are infested in Indian almond trees, which are essential part of the ecosystem, and they are destroying the trees. The real threat comes when they got in contact with people, and it results as severe rashes, blistering of the skin, and in extreme cases it have gone far to emergency rush to hospitals. So Dr. Knowles have put on the gloves and taken matters in his hand, and he is using drones to spray the targeted trees, which don't only have the mature caterpillars, but he is using AI to identify the caterpillars in early stages. By only spraying on this targeted location, he is saving the spray and the trees, also the people, from this threat. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe the channel.